Hey guys, a couple of weeks ago, well actually last month, I did a video on all this electronic stuff I got in a case. And one of the things I found was the screwdriver. And it's a Bell Systems screwdriver. It needs a little bit of cleaning up. And I figure we'll do that and try to get this edge a little bit better than what it is. Looks like somebody sharpened it. And we'll get this together. What I want to do is I finally broke down and bought one of these fiber wheels, and we're going to clean it up with this fiber wheel. I want to wire wheel it first. The ferrule's a little loose, so we'll see what we can do for that. But we're going to clean this up and use this. Anyway, I'll be right back. Okay, I did clean this up real nice. I'm really surprised on how this works. Really nice. I might even try to do the handle with this too. So let's see how that works out instead of using sandpaper. This is, by the way, 180 grit, this wheel. Okay, what I want to do now, I'm just going to polyurethane this. I'm not going to stain it. What I like to do is I take a little bit of thinner, get a rag, a little douse with it a little bit, and then what I'll do is take a little bit of polyurethane on the rag, and I'll just start wiping. Give it a nice little light coat, and then I'll come back and this dries in about an hour, and I'll give it another coat, and then we'll see what she looks like. Okay guys, we'll be right back. Okay guys, we're all done. Turned out really nice. Looking back, maybe I should have stained the handle because the polyurethane brought out a lot of the imperfections in the hand. Well, not imperfections, but some of the things that were deeply soaked in the wood. So I'm not going to call this a fail because I am going to use this. But I should have stained it, but it turned out pretty nice. So nice. I couldn't do anything with the ferrule. It does turn. I wasn't going to pull it apart because it is pretty stable in there. But it turned out nice. I love it. Anyway, guys, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys the next time. This is Wired. See ya!